Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear students, heartily welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. So we see the last session, equation of circle, center, radius form. When center is h comma k and radius is r, what is equation of circle? When center is origin, means h is equal to 0 and k equal to 0, what is the equation of circle? In this class, we solve some problems related on center radius form equation of circle. Okay. So equation of circle, some related problems. So we know that what is equation of circle if center is h comma k and radius is r. We know that the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle center radius form, where center is h comma k and radius is r. Okay. Suppose center lies on origin, means the circle center lies on the origin like this. So clearly h equal to 0 and k equal to 0. This is h comma k. So substituting h and k 0 here, the equation of circle becomes x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is also equation of circle center radius form, where center is 0 comma 0 or origin and radius is r. Okay. Let us start the problem. So the first problem is, observe here, find the equation of the circle whose center is 3 comma minus 4 is given here and radius is 6. Okay. So given here center c equal to, say c 3 comma minus 4, and what is r equal to, radius is nothing but how much, 6. So here given center and radius, correct. So use the equation of circle center radius form. What is equation of circle? The equation of circle is the equation of a circle, this is short form of circle, is, we know that center radius form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle center radius form. Substituting the values, h is nothing but here, h is nothing but 3 and k is nothing but minus 4, r is 6. So x minus h is 3 whole square plus y, k is nothing but minus 4, minus minus, this is becomes plus 4 whole square is equal to, so r is nothing but 6 square. Simplify this one, use a minus b whole square identities, this becomes x square plus y square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square. What is b is nothing but here, b is nothing but 3, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square is nothing but 3 square is 9, minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3, 2 3s are 6x, okay, plus similarly a plus b whole square, a square y square plus 16, 4 square is 16 plus 2ab, 2ab is nothing but 2 into y into 4, 2 4s are 8y is nothing but 6 square is 36. Simplification, you write in standard form x square plus y square as it is minus 6x, this one is plus 8y. So 9 plus 16 is 25 plus 25, you take minus 36 this side. So plus 36 this side, minus 36 equal to 0. So what is next step? Next is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y, 25 minus 36, how much? Or 36 minus 25, minus 36, 25. So 1. This is 1 minus L1, correct? This is minus L1 equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle in standard form. Here given center 3 comma minus 4 and, so this and the radius is 6. So the answer is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus L1 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle with center 3 comma minus 4 and radius is 6. Okay. This is a very simple problem. You can this type of question you can solve by using center radius formula. Okay. Let us see the next problem. See, find the equation of the circle whose a problem is center origin means 0 comma 0 and radius is 3, and second one is b, center is minus 2 3 and radius is 4. Okay. Let us start. The first one a. What is here? Find the equation of circle whose center is given here. In a, c is 0 comma 0 and what is the radius? R equal to 3. So use the equation of circle center radius form when center is origin means 0 comma 0. Center is here is 0, 0 comma 0. The formula is, the equation of circle is, the equation of a circle is simple formula x square plus y square is equal to r square when center is origin. Otherwise use the formula this also, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is also correct. Put h equal to 0 and k equal to 0, you will get same formula. Okay, so substituting values directly, you have to substitute here r values directly. So what happened here, x square plus y square is equal to, what is r here, r is nothing but 3 square. So x square plus y square is equal to 9. You take 9 this side, x square plus y square minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Center is 0 comma 0, that is origin, and radius is 3. Okay, so what about b? What is b here? Center is given here minus 2 comma 3 and radius is 4. Okay, this is b. Center is given here minus 2 comma 3 and radius equal to how much? 4. Okay, so use the equation of circle once again, center radius form. What is equation of circle center radius form? The equation of circle is, the equation of a circle is center radius form, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay, what is center here? Minus 2 comma 3. This is h and this is k. H equal to minus 2, k equal to 3. Okay, x minus h is nothing but minus 2 minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus, what is k here? K is nothing but 3 square, y minus 3 whole square, what is r? 4. This is 4 square. Okay, now expand this one, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this one is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2y 3, 2 into y into 3, 2 3 is 6, 6 into y, 6y equal to 16. Simplification, so x square plus y square, you write x first, 4x, then minus 6y. Arrange the terms like x square, y square, xy, then constant like this, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 13, take 16 this side, minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, 4 plus 9 is 13, minus 16 equal to 0. What is last step? So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. So this is plus 13 minus 16, nothing but minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. The center is minus 2, 3 and radius is 4. Okay, these are the problems. I think very simple problems. If the center and radius is given, you can use the equation of circle center radius form. Okay, if the center is given origin, that is 0 comma 0, you can use directly formula x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay, let us start next problem. Let us see the third problem. What is the third problem? Find the center and radius of the circle given by, here given circle equation, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. See what is this, this problem is, this is the reverse of previous problems. In the previous problem they are given center and radius, then ask the find the equation of circle. But here given equation of circle, then you have to find the condition, means you have to find center and radius. See what is the first problem here, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Here given equation of circle in standard form. So you have to find center and radius of the circle. So observe here, compare, I call equation number 1, compare 1 with, compare, so 1 with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So what happened? So you have to convert this equation in this form, means I can write this equation like this, x minus of minus 1 whole square plus, this keep as it is, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 square, correct? Both meaning is same. My plus is here, no, minus minus plus x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 2 square. Both are same. Compare these two equations. What happened? Clearly we say that h is equal to, therefore h is equal to here, h is nothing but here is x minus minus h equal to minus 1. Okay. What about k is equal to? K is nothing but here plus 1. What is r? R is nothing but, compare this to r is here square. R is nothing but 2. Okay. Now what is center? Therefore we know center formula. Center is nothing but h comma k is nothing but, what is h? Minus 1 and k is nothing but 1. What is the radius? So radius is that is r equal to how much? 2. Find the center and radius of the circle. Circle equation is given. We have to find equation, center and radius of the circle. So clearly center is minus 1 comma 1 and radius is 2. So we have to verify this answer by writing the equation of circle. Means we know the equation of circle once again, standard form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Put h and k here and r here. You have to simplify. We will get same answer. This like this. So h is nothing but minus, h is nothing but here, h is nothing but minus 1. Correct. This is becomes plus 1 whole square plus y, k is nothing but 1 minus 1 whole square, r is nothing but 2 square is nothing but 4. Again we have x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 4. This is the verification. Our answer is correct. So h is nothing but minus 1, k is nothing but 1 and r is nothing but 2. This is the equation of circle center radius form. Next is the second problem. What is the second here? Fourth, this is fourth one. Second in the type second problem. Find the center and radius of the circle given by this. You know previous example, this also same like that. The circle equation is x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 3. So I can write this equation like this: x minus 5 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square equal to, this can be written as root 3 whole square is nothing but 3. Compare above equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Clearly we say that h equal to 5. Compare here, h equal to 5 and k equal to minus 2. So r is equal to root 3. Therefore what is center? Center is equal to 5 comma minus 2 means h comma k. We know formula h comma k. 5 comma minus 2 and radius is root 3. Center is 5 comma minus 2, radius is root 3. These are the center is 5 comma minus 2 and radius is 3. Radius is root 3. These are the center and radius of the given circle. Okay, I take one more example here. I take fifth example. Find the center and radius of the circle. I write circle equation here: x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. So find center and radius of this circle. This is the standard equation of circle. You have to find the center and radius. This circle can be written as x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to root 5. Square is nothing but 5. Comparing this equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. What is h equal to here? Therefore h equal to minus 2 and k is equal to minus 1, r is equal to root 5. What is center formula? Therefore center equal to h comma k is nothing but minus 2 comma minus 1. So radius r is equal to root 5. Okay, this is center, this is radius of the circle. These are reverse problems. So whenever the equation of circle is given, that time So you have to convert into in standard form, then find the value of h and k, then r. The center is h comma k and radius is r. So I think you understand all these problems. When the center radius is given and when circle equation is given, find the equation of find the center and radius, and when center is given, center and radius, then find the equation of circle. I think these are very simple problems. So I think you understood all the problems. Thank you for watching. Jai Sai Ram.